Hi guys, welcome back to Student Hero YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Mathematics Stage 6 Paper 1 from 2023. This paper is sent by our faithful subscriber. Thanks. Let's discuss, and there will be in the form of quiz and answer form. You'll be given time to find your own answer and then match with the revealed answer. If you follow this video till the very end, we'll display the full screen of only the question. You may take a screenshot and you can save in a laptop, or you can print it out while doing this quiz. You may do so. Alright, so let's get started from question number 1. The duration for this paper is 45 minutes. You can bring compasses, protractor, or tracing paper. You are not allowed to use calculator for paper 1. Total mark is 40, and this is question 1. We start now. Question 1 says, draw lines to join 10.56 to all the equivalent values. So you're given 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer, guys. So here we go. This is our answer. 10.56 is 105. 105 tens and 600, and also 110 and 5600. How could it be? This is the explanation. 105 tens, meaning 105 over 10. 600, meaning, because there is THS, 6 over 100. So this part becomes 10.5. 105 divided by 10 is 10.5. This part becomes 0.06 as it's divided by 100, and we add up this one with this one. So 10.5 plus 0.06 is 10.56. So we hope it's clear for this one. For this one is 110. 110 is 110. No THS mean 10 directly. Like this one, THS mean you divide with 10. 1500 with THS, so 15 divided by 100. So 10 plus 0.56. So 56 divided by 100 is, we move the decimal point 2 step to the left and stop here. So we got 0.56, and we added up this one. So 10 plus 0.56, we get 10.56. So that's why, that's the answer. Right, so let's move on. If you have any question related to this, you want extra additional explanation, you may write in comment section in Student Hero YouTube channel. We will explain to you further with another video. Next, here we go. Now in question 2, write 4 over 24 in a simplest form. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Or let's open up the answer, guys. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. So the answer is 1 over 5. How do we get that? So 4 over 20. If you get it correct, you may skip and go to the next question. For this one, we divide by 4 and 4, the fraction. So now it becomes 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 1 over 5. That's our answer. Next. Now in question 3, calculate the area of the right angle triangle. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's
0.
reveal the answer. So it's 12 cm square. So we got half times base times height, 8 times 3, and then we simplify. For 8 and 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, so 4 times 3 is 12. That's how we got 12. So next we move on to question 4. Question 4 says, write the numbers in order, starting with the smallest, 3.15, 2.98, 3.04, and 3.31, from smallest up to the largest. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's find the answer, guys. There you go, this is our answer. We start from 2.98 and 3.04, 3.15, and largest is 3.31. So the idea for this is you just see from the number in ones place, 2, 3, 3, and 3. So 2 must be the first one. Now all now is in the same 3, 3, 3. So we compare the number in the tens place, 0, 1, and 3. So 0, 1, and 3 is in tens place. That's how we arrange this from smallest to largest. Next, question number 5. Question 5 says, here's a part of a sequence. Write a missing number in the boxes. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. Here we go, number 5. Write the missing number in the box is 0.87 and 2.62. How do we get 0.87 is 1.12. We subtract by 0.25. And this is the subtraction. 12 minus 5 is 7. Both will become 0. 0 become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then this one become 0. So we got 0.87. Alright, let's move on to question 6. Question 6 says, Anastasia chooses a number with exactly 2 decimal places. She rounds it to the nearest 10. Her answer is 7.0. Write a number that Anastasia could choose. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. Here's the example of correct answer. It's 7.01. This is an open answer question, so you may have more different answers, and as long as it's round up to 7.0 it will be correct. If you want to clarify your answer, you can write down in comment section in Susan and Hira YouTube channel if you open this directly to Susan Hira YouTube channel. Next, now we are in question 7. We have real accounts in 6. Starting at 6, she records some of the numbers in a position to term table. Complete the table. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, guys, let's check out the answer. There you go. We have 54 and 120. How do we get that? Count on number in 6. That is the clue. So if position 1 is 6, so it means we times by 6. 2 is 12, it means we times by 6. And if it go to 9, we times by 6 is 54 and 120. 720 divided to get the position, we divide by 6 to get 120. Right, let's move on to question 8. Question 8 says, calculate 65 over 3. Write your answer as a mixed number. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. Here we go. So 65 divided by 3, we divide manually. So 65, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 3 times 2 is 6. And then we subtract. 6 minus 6, 0. We put down the 5 here. Now 3 times 1 is nearest to 5. 3 times 1 is 3. And then we subtract and get 2. 2 is less than 3. So 2 we put up as the denominator. 3 you put it down as denominator. So our answer is 21, 2 over 3. Let's move on to question 9. If some of you don't understand how to do this, you may write down in the comment section. We'll explain to you with another video for division to get a mixed number. Next, now we are in question 9. User thinks that the most common color for a front door is white. He collects data from front door on his walk to school. His result front door color: green, red, white, blue, black, other. frequency 7586663. He wants to represent his data using a diagram. Draw a ring around the most appropriate diagram for his data. Is it Venn diagram, scatter graph, bar chart, or line graph? 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So the answer is bar chart. Since this is a discrete variable, green is not continuous, so we use bar chart to show that. Next, question 10. Question 10 says, Hassan and his father visit the zoo. His father is 1.88 meters tall. Question 8. The giraffe is 3 times taller than Hassan's father. Write the height of the giraffe. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So it's 5.64. How do we get that? So Hassan's father is 1.88. Giraffe is 3 times, so we times by 3. Then we get 8 times 3 is 4. We keep 2 here. Then 3 times 8 is 24 plus 2, 26. We keep 2 here. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. 5.68 is the answer. Next. Now, question B. His father is 4 times taller than the penguin. Write the height of the penguin. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So it's 0.47. So father is 4 times taller. To get the height of penguin, we divide 1.88 divided by 4. 1.88 is the father's height. So we still take the data from number 10 here. And we want to count the height of the penguin based on the data from here, 1.88. So 1.88 divided by 4, because father is 4 times taller than the penguin. So 1.881 divided by 4, 1 is smaller, so we put 0 point. We put 0 here, minus, then we get 1 and put down the next digit is 8. 4 times 4 will be 16. And then minus 8 minus 6 is 2. We put down the next digit is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. So it's 0.47 is the answer. So we hope it's clear. So again, we use 1.88 is the data from the question 10. Alright, next we move on to next number. Question 11 says, here are 4 calculations. Estimate the answers to the calculation. Draw a ring around the calculation which gives the largest answer. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So here we go. So we circle this one. Largest answer. So estimate. So 3,400 we estimate to 3,000 times 6 is 18,000. 234 we estimate to 200 times 40 is 8,000. 1,234 we estimate to 1,000 times 7. And 4,321 we estimate to 4,000. So all the answer we got is, this is definitely only 4 digits. 7,000 is much less 8,000. Now the one that is near is 18,000 and 16,000. Now we see that 18,000 is greater than 16,000, and that's the reason we choose this one. Right, next question 12. Question 12 says, Carlos rolls a fair 6-sided dice number 1, 2, 6 to show if the pairs of outcomes are mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive. Pairs of outcome: roll a number that is divisible by 2 and roll a number that is divisible by 3. Which one do we have to tick? Is it mutually exclusive or not? Roll a number that is divisible by 2 and roll a number that is multiple of 5. Which one should we take? Next, roll a number that is divisible by 2 and roll a number that is a multiple of 4. Which one should we choose? Next, roll a number that is divisible by 2 and roll a square number. Which one should we choose? So we've got 10 seconds from now. If you have not finished, you may pause this video.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right guys, let's open up the answer guys. Here we go, we have this one is not mutually exclusive. Since roll a number that is divisible by 2 and that is divisible by 3. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divisible by 2 is 2, 4, 6. Divisible by 3 is 3 and 6. So there is an overlapping in here. It means these two events, they are not mutually exclusive. Next, a number that is divisible by 2 is 2, 4, 6, the same. Number that is multiple of 5, that is 5. So there is no overlapping, so this one will be mutually exclusive. Next is the number divisible by 2, the same thing. The number divisible by 2 is 2, 4, 6. The number divisible multiple of 4, multiple of 4 is 4, so there's overlapping, so that is not mutually exclusive. Next, again, the number that is divisible by 2, so it's 2, 4, 6. And then roll a square number. Square number is a 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, so there's overlapping in 4, so it's not mutually exclusive. Right, let's move on. Question 13 says draw accurately the set of points exactly 5 cm from point A. So given 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer guys. So here's our answer. The set of points exactly 5 cm from A is a circle that has a radius of 5 cm. So how do we draw that? So we have point A given and we use compass and we measure 5 cm with ruler, and then after that with the needle point at point A and we rotate the compass. So we got a nice circle with radius of 5 cm. That's how we got this answer. Next. Now we move on to question 14. Here's a diagram of 9 rectangles. Shade 3 rectangles so that the shade has exactly 2 lines of symmetry.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answer. So here we go, we shade 3 rectangles. So 1, 2, 3. So when we fold it along this line, we have 1, and then this one we have 2, exactly 2 lines of symmetry. So when we fold along this line, we get matching, overlapping, and we fold along this line, we'll get exactly matching 2 parts, top and bottom. Right, next. Okay, here we go. Question 15. Samara is playing a board game. She rolls a fair 6-sided die, number 1, 2, 6. She wants to find out how many times she is likely to roll the dice before she gets a 6. She uses a computer simulation to roll a dice 100 times. Here are her results. So frequency is total up to 100 times. Number of rolls to get a 6 is 1. After 1 time she gets 6. After 2 times, after 3 times, after 4 times. So more than 4 times she rolls, then she gets 6 is 48 times. Question. Complete each sentence with correct number. Samira is likely to get a 6 after how many rolls? Approximately 1 out of 10 times. There's approximately a something percent chance that Samira will roll the dice more than 4 times to get a 6. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answer. So Samira is likely to get a 6 after 4 rolls, approximately 1 out of 10 times. 4 rows. Let's see 4 rows here. So 4 rows, so it's 9. So 9 out of 100 trial is approximately 1 out of 10. So that's how we got the answer. So 9 out of 100 is approximately 1 of 10 of 100 and is simplified to 1 over 10. So after 4 rolls. Next, there's an approximately a 50% chance that Samira will roll the die more than 4 times. So we say more than 4 times is 48. So 48 over 100, we run off to 50 over 100, and 50 over 100 is 50%. That's how we got the answer. If you have any question related to this question, please feel free to write down in comment section in Susan Hira YouTube channel. Next, we move on. Alright, this is the answer. Let's move on to next. Question 16 says, Yuri says a fraction of 20 is always smaller than 20. Write a number in each box to show that Yuri is wrong 20 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answer. So we can write a number greater than 1, that is 3 over 2 is greater than 1, or 20, then with the times we'll get an answer that is greater than 20, so 3 over 2 times 20. So we cross this one, become 10, 3 times 10 is 30, that is greater than 20. Right, so Samira, Yuri is wrong. Next. Here we go, question 17. Here's a coordinate grid. Point A and B are marked on the grid here. Point A is 5 by 5. Eva says the coordinates of point B could be 5.4. Lily says the coordinates of point B could be 4 by 5. Naomi says the coordinate of point B could be 4, 4. So draw a ring around the name of person who is correct and explain how you know 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answer. So in here we say Eva, since Eva reasons point with the same x coordinate lies on the same vertical lines. Both point A and B lies on the vertical lines of x equals to 5. So A and B would make a vertical lines towards the x-axis. It will cut 5 on x-axis. So it means the x part is the same. So the x part is the same. It will be Eva. Eva says 5, 4. So x part is 5. So Eva is correct. Let's move on. Question 18 says chickens start to lay eggs when they are about 18 months old. Sylvia says chicken lay fewer eggs as they get older. Plot 7 crosses on the graph that would support her statement. So this one you can print out the question, screenshot and print it out so you can do it on a paper, or you can make the graph on your own paper. So you give it 10 seconds from now. If you're not finished, you may pause this video. Okay?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answer. So here's the example of correct answer. 7 crosses that will support her statement. So start to lay egg 18 months old. So we choose 18 months old is 1.5 years. Then we start from 6, and then 7 crosses fewer eggs as they got older. So from here the chicken become older, so we make it declining cross position here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, to show that as chicken gets older the number of eggs chicken lays fewer. Right, if you have any other option you may screenshot and send to our email. You need to clarify. Check our email at description section. Next, here we go. We are in question 18. Chickens start to lay eggs when they are about 18 months old. Sorry guys, now we are in question 19. Jamila says the capacity of a jug could be greater than the volume of water in the jug. Jamila is correct. Explain how you know. Use the word capacity and volume in your answer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answer. So capacity of a jug is the amount of liquid it can hold, while volume of water in the jug is the measure of the space covered by the water. So definitely capacity could be greater than volume. Next, question 20. Question 20 says, Ahmed estimates that it will take 1.5 hours to travel to his grandparents' house. His journey takes 1.7 hours. Work out in minutes how much longer his journey takes than his estimate. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answer. If you have not finished, you may pause this video for a while. So here's our answer. So it's 12 minutes. How does it work? So 1.5 hours is 1.5 times 60. We get 1.5 is 3/2 times 60. We cross out 60 and 2. We got 30. 3 times 30 is 90 minutes. That is his estimate. Now 1.7 hours we count with the times 60 to get minutes. So 1.6 times 60 is 1.67 times 60 is times 6 times 10. So this one we said loud. 1.7 times 10 is 17. We just move one decimal when times 10 times 6. So 17 times 6 will get 241,102. So 102 minutes. That's how we got it. And 102 minus 90, we got 12 minutes as the answer. Next, question 21 says here are 4 number cards 2, 6, 10, 20. Use 3 cards to complete a calculation that will give the lowest answer. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, if you have not finished, you may pause this video. Let's open up the answers. So here's our results. Lowest answer. So we have to start from the lowest number, 6. We don't use 2, we use 6. Minus 20 plus 2. We get the lowest answer, that is minus 14 plus 2, minus 12. So that we have to try some numbers, some combination to get the lowest number. So if we try from the lowest number 2, then we minus with the greatest number 20, with the thinking that it will create the lowest number, and then we add with the smallest number, that is 6. That's our alternative. So 2 minus 20 is minus 18 plus 6. We'll get minus 12, the same thing. So that will be another possible answer. Next, if you are not clear about this one, you may write down in the comment section. The idea is we use smallest number minus the greatest number, add the smallest number to get the lowest number. That's the idea. Next, question 22 says Rajiv write a sequence of the square numbers. He adds 5 to each square number to make a new sequence. Here are the first 3 terms of his new sequence, 6, 9, 14. By the 6th term of his new sequence, 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answer. So our answer will be 41. How do we get that? So 6 terms. So the first term will be 1 square, add 5, it means with plus 5. So that's how we got 6. The second term is 2 square. 9 comes from 2 square plus 5. So 2 square is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So that is how we got the number in the first position, second position. Now the sixth term here, we got the 6th term. So the logic is we follow the pattern. The pattern will be 6 square plus 5. 6 square is 36 plus 5 is 41. So that's how we got the answer. Alright guys, 23, here's a sketch of a cuboid. So 2, 5, 8, here's a net of the same cuboid. Calculate the length represented by A. 10 seconds from now.
10,
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. Okay, so it's 18 here. So this one comes from this part 2 by 5. So this is 2 by 5. So it means this is 5 and this is the same 5. And this part comes from this side 2 by 8. So I mean this is 2 by 8. So that's how we add 5 plus 8 plus 5. It's total up to 18. Alright, we hope it's clear. Let's move on to next number. Alright, question B now. Calculate the surface area of the cuboid. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's check out the answer, guys. If we are not finished, you may pause this video. So we have the answer is 132. How do we get that? So it's 2 by 5 times 5 plus 2 times 8 plus 8 times 5. 8 times 5, 5 times 8. Now we total up 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 8, 16. 8 times 5, 40. So we added up 10 plus 16 plus 40 is 66 times 2 is 132. That's how we got the total surface area. If you have any question regarding this, you may write down in the comment section. We'll explain to you further what surface area of cuboid. Next, there you go. We are now in question 24. Chan has 4-digit card 1, 2, 3, 4. He uses 3 of this card to make a 3-digit number that is divisible by 3. That's a right number that Chan could make divisible by 3. Remember, 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. So we got the answer is 123. So how do we get that? 3-digit number. 3-digit number is 1, 2, 3. Divisible by 3 means we got the 3, multiple of 3 that is greater than the lowest 3-digit is 100. So 3 times 33 is 99. It means 3 times 34 will be 102. Alright, now if we keep counting, we see that the card doesn't have a 0, so we go to 103 times 40. Let's go straight to 3 times 40, which is 120. Then we go to next is, since multiple of 3 is 3 times 41 is 1, 2, 3. That's how we got our answer, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's move on to question 24. Question 25 says a bag contains only red and blue beads. So 40% of the beads are red. Complete the following sentences using single-digit numbers. Something in every something beads are red. For every something red beads, there are something blue beads. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's check out the answer, guys. So here's the answer. 2 in every 5 bits are red. How do you get that? So 40% is, so 40 out of 100. Simplify into 4 over 10. Since it's a single digit, we divide again by 2. This ratio, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2, 5. So 2 in every 5 bits are red. And then if it's 2 in every 5 bits are red, so for every something red bits, there are something blue bits. So we can take if the 10 bits, 40%, 10 bits, 40% means 4 red and 6 blue. So for every 4 red, there are 6 blue. Or you can answer it there for every 2 bits, 2 red bits, there are 3 blue bits. So that will be also possible. Next, question 26. 26 says write a number in the box to make the statement correct. 14.6 minus something to get 3.907. Come on, guys. Let's do it. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, have you finished? Let's check out the answer. Here we go. It's 10.693. So how do we get this number? So 14.6 minus 3.907. So we have to arrange this one correctly. Decimal in a straight line. Now we have 6, 9, something 0. So we put 0 and 0 here. So 0 minus 10 cannot. We take 10. Now this become 9 because we borrow, and 6 become 5. And 5 cannot minus 9, so we borrow again. This become 3. 3, and this become alright, this become 3. So we are done with the borrowing. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And borrow the 0 become 9, minus 0 is 9. And then 9 borrow from 6 become 5. 5 cannot subtract 9, so borrow again from the neighbor. So become 15 minus 9, 6. Now 16. 4 becomes 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So no need to borrow. So this is 10. 1 go down. So 10.693. Alright, that's our answer. Next question 27. 27 says Oliver and Mike each place some apples and oranges into the same bowl. The ratio of apples to oranges Oliver places in the bowl is 2 to 3. The ratio of apples to oranges Mike places in the bowl is 1 to 2. They each place 6 oranges in the bowl. Write the total number of apples and oranges they place in the bowl. 10 seconds, guys.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's open up the answer. So we have the answer is 18. How does it work? So we write down apples to oranges for Oliver is 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Now for Mike, apple to oranges is 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Now the key is they each place 6 oranges. So oranges, 6 oranges. So we have to make this ratio the same. How? 3 and 2 can both go to 6. So we times Oliver's ratio by 2. That becomes 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Then we times Mike's ratio by 3. So become 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Now they have the same ratio for orange. So now it means the number of apple Oliver plays is 4. Mike is 3. So because they each place 6 oranges here. Now 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 4. So it should be now 4 plus 6. Total number of apples 4 plus 6 from Oliver is 10. 3 plus 6 for Mike is 9. So 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9 is 19. Sorry guys, so it's 19. 19 will be the answer. So 10 plus 9 is 19. Alright. So the correct answer is 19. Sorry for the mistake. Next, we go to 28. If there's any correction for the solution along this video, you may write down in the comment section. So it will be good for us to for the correction to improve us to be more careful. Next, question 28. 28 says 5 children each score a mark on the spelling test. Mode, median, mean are all types of average. The average of our marks is 7. The average of our marks is 8. The average of our marks is 9. The total of our marks is 35. The lowest mark is 2. So all 5 children are correct. These 5 children. Write the 5 marks. The children scores here 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So here we go. So we start from lowest mark is 2. That's the easiest clue. Then we have to fill 1, 2, 3, 4 more slots. So there's average of 7. There is average of 8 and 9, and total is 35. So we have to guess which one is the median and the mode and the mean. So we try one of it has to be mean. So we put 8 as the have to be the median. 8 to be the median. Now we see that total mark is 35. It means total mark is 35. So we total up has to be 35, and one of the numbers should be the mode. So we try to put 2 9s in here, and we take the mean is 8. The median is 8. The median is 8. This is the mode. then this is the lowest mark, is clear. So average is 7. So average is 7 because 35 is total mark. 35 divided by 5 students, it should be 7. It's true. Now we have to count total up to 35. So 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2. So it's 10 plus 18 is 28. To get 35, is 7. We have to put 7. So we can get this answer by a bit of trial. If you have any question, you may write down in comment section. Next, question 29 says here's a diagram of two angles. A is an obtuse angle, and the value of B is a multiple of 10. Write the largest value of B 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. Here we go, is a 260, the largest value of B. Because since A is an obtuse angle is the greater than 90 and smaller than 180. So that is A. So to get largest value of B, we have to take the smallest value of A possible. So we get 91. 91, then the B should make up 360 with A. So if A is 91, so B will be 360 minus 91 is around 269. And B is a multiple of 10, so it's not possible to go to 270, as if it's 270, A will be 90. A is 90, B is 270, and 90 is not an obtuse angle, so it has to go to 260, the greatest possible answer. Right, next, question 30. Question 30 says, Mia writes a sequence by adding a whole number to the previous term. The first term in her sequence is 10, the final term in the sequence 30. Take all the correct statement. 30 could be the fourth term, 30 could be the fifth term, 30 could be the sixth term, 30 could be seventh term. So you're given 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, if you have not finished, you may pause this video. Let's open up the answer now. Here you go. So all the correct statements, so it might be more than one correct. So 30 could be the fifth term, 30 could be the sixth term. Here's the explanation how 30 could be the fifth term. So the first term is 10 and a whole number to the previous term. So if the 30 could be the fifth term, so we have then we have to put 5 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because 30 could be the fifth term. 30 will be the fifth position, and there are 1, 2, 3 numbers in between 10 and 30. So if we count the number to get the sequence, this has to be added with a whole number plus a whole number plus a whole number plus a whole number to get 30. So there's addition of 1, 2, 3, 4 times addition. 4 times of addition, 1, 2, 3, 4. So between 30 and 10, the difference is 20. So 20 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, we get 5. So this sequence we can get by adding 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. And we get the fifth term of 30. So that's how we got this answer correct. So now if we say that 30 could be the sixth term, so it means within 30 and 10 there should be a if fifth term we have to divide by 4, if sixth term we have to divide by 5. That's the logic. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, so this sequence is possible. So we have 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, and 30. So 30 is the sixth term. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now 30 could be 7 term. So it's 7 term, 7, then we divide the 20 divided by 6. This is not a whole number, so this is wrong. The same apply to 4. If 4, then we have to divide 20 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3. It's also not a round number, so this is wrong. We have 2 answers correct. So this is how we got our answer. So that's it for this question. This is the last question. So now we will scroll over from the first, so you may take a screenshot of the question only if you would like to save in your laptop or print it out. So here we go. This is the first page. First page, second page. Question 1, 2, 3. Right. So 1, 2, 3, and then next is question 4, 5. And then question 6. 4, 5, 6. Next is question 7, 8. You may pause and take a screenshot. 7, 8, and then 9. And then next is question 10, A and B, and question 11, 12. 11, 12. Next is question 13. And here we go, 14. And move to question 15. 15 here. And then this is question 16, 17, 16 here, and 17 here. And next is question 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22, and 23, AB, and 24, guys, 25, 25, and 26, and 27, 28, 29, and 30. Alright, that's the end of our discussion. So today we've discussed Mathematics Progression Test Stage 6, Paper 2023, Paper 1M/S6/01, question with answer for Cambridge Primary Stage 6. Please do click this button under the right button corner of this video. If you open through Susan Hira YouTube channel, you'll see the all other useful links for past paper from grade 3 till grade 12. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll not miss of any of our latest updates. Like and share to anybody who might need this, as this is free and it will motivate us to make more video like this, and sharing is free, and who knows, it may be helpful for others. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. If you have any question, idea, request, please write down in the comment section in Susan Hira YouTube channel. So today we have conduct discussion for Mathematics Progression Test Stage 6 is by Study with Tuition Online. We cater for all the subject and program. If you do need a tutorial online for all these lessons, please do contact us. We conduct online tuition for students from all over the world, and subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell. If you still need this PDF, and please feel free to write and contact us. Bye bye.